Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, we want to see how to withdraw your money on Boloup. Let's get started with that. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open the app and log into your account. Alright, so once you're logged into your account, you have to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright, so once you do that, you are going to land on your profile area. Alright, so from here, if you look around here, you're going to find this diamonds option. Alright, so you must make sure you have some diamonds in your balance. Alright, so if you don't have diamonds in your balance, then of course there's no need to withdraw your money, right? So I don't have any diamonds, but let me just show you the process. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and click on that diamonds option, and then if I have some diamonds in my balance, I'll find it right here. All right, so once there are some diamonds right there, next thing I want to do is to select a withdraw type. Right, so I will select a withdraw type, which is this one right here, which is a step 1. Right, that's a step 1 right there. Right, so I'll click on that, and then I will select bank and wallet transfer, which is my preferred withdrawal method. Okay, so after that you have to take step 2, which is to choose your country. So I'll click on that, select my country. Of course I'm from Nigeria. And now there's a step 3 where you have to select a withdrawal method. So just click on that and select your withdrawal method. So it could be bank transfer, Palm Pay, or OPay. All right, so I'll go ahead, select bank transfer, and the fourth step is the part where I need to bind a withdrawal account. So I just have to click on bind and then enter my bank card number. If I have an ATM card, enter the card number right there, enter your bank name, and then your username, that's your bank username, right? Then enter your phone number and email address. After that, just click submit at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, the next step you have to take now is to enter your withdrawal amount, which is this one right here. So once you go ahead, you do that, the equivalent in dollar is going to show right here, and then just go ahead and click on the withdraw icon at the bottom of your screen. Right, so once you click on that, then you'll be able to withdraw your money, though the processing time could take like 2 to 3 days. All right, so let's just look at the withdrawal instruction right here. The first one, it says a minimum of $10 is required for each withdrawal, and the withdrawal amount must be an integer. The second one, only one withdrawal per day. The third one, the deposit time is for reference only. Please refer to the actual deposit time. The fourth one, the estimated arrival time for the funds is 1 to 3 days. So I was correct. So that's it guys on how you can actually withdraw your money on Boloup Livestream app. Hope this guide was helpful. I now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.